Next train's coming. Get ready. Your suit's adaptive shells will handle the ships, but you'll have seconds to board. Once it hits the jump tunnel and goes warp, there's no second chance. Move fast.
I'm trying to find a way in, but it looks like we've already hit the jump tunnel. God damn it. It looks like I've been compromised.
You're locked in the jump. Wait it out. When it drops, you'll have seconds to use the rift key. Get inside fast.
Talk to me, Lyra. I can barely feel my limbs. Is this normal?
Stay still. The jump's vibration stabilizes your molecular structure. But once it ends, you'll have only seconds to use the rift key before the train accelerates again. The space train is carrying a sealed energy core, a weapon prototype. You must secure it and stay on board until stop 5. Remember, stop 5.
Approaching stop number 3.
Who are you? Are you following me?
I don't have a lot of time, but you watch everything. Do not get off at stop 5. You must get off at stop 4 if you value your life.
I heard what he said. Don't listen to him. It's a trap. Do not get off at stop 4. Stick to the plan and exit at stop 5. That's an order.
Arrived at stop number 3. Please exit carefully.
We have the draghounds. They should be able to sniff him out.
Oh boy, looks like I got company.
Proceeding to stop number 4.
Eyes up, you're close. Sensors show the prototype just ahead, contained in a metal box.
Approaching stop number 4.
That's kind of strange, don't you think? For something this important, I expected more guards.
Arrived at stop number 4. Please exit carefully.
Trust the mission, Operative. Stop 5 is where you'll hand it off. Nothing changes.
Yep, you get it. Stop 5 it is.
You made the right choice. Stop 5 was a trap. They don't want the core. They want you. You are the prototype.
It is important that you like, share, and comment if you want us to continue to make these videos.